Hi Barefoot, this is John with your weekly video update. This morning we gathered for worship as we heard from God's Word and we celebrated communion together. And we continued our Sunday conversation series entitled Loaded Words. And today we looked at the word church. And we looked at how church is not really about the different styles that we have. It's not really about the architecture of buildings. But the church is the gathering of God's forgiven people, sinners, in Jesus Christ. And it's around Jesus Christ that we find our life and we find our meaning, where we are sent back out into the world as His witnesses. Next week we're going to be looking at the loaded word religion. So if you want to join us, that's 10 a.m. on Sunday at the Town of Niagara Community Center, 7000 Lockport Road. And to prep for that, I encourage you to look at our weekly Bible readings, which go by theme and topic, to prepare for that. Looking ahead, like I said, we have worship next week at 10 o'clock. The first week in September, which is September 3rd, is another Serve Sunday, and we'll be putting together personal care kits to give out to some of our mission partners. And then the following week, we will have a guest preacher, David Breitenbach, who is from the Eastern European Missions Network. David is a personal friend of mine, and him and his staff are doing excellent and outstanding work in the former Soviet bloc, which would be all of those Eastern European nations. So we're excited to have David coming in. As always, we have Missional Community on the 2nd and 4th Tuesdays, which means that's this Tuesday coming up, and we encourage you to be there as we learn what does it mean to live as an everyday missionary on mission with Jesus. And for the month of September, we are going to be collecting canned goods and non-perishable food items. So if you want to bring those in, those are going to benefit Destination Life Fellowship, which is a church in the inner city of Niagara Falls. Pastor Mark and his wife Ann run a food pantry, and they are excited about that we're able to partner with them as we minister to people in the inner city of Niagara Falls. If you have any other questions or you need more information, you can check out our website, barefootcc.net, or check out our Facebook page, Barefoot Christian Community. Have fun this week as we join Jesus on His mission.